That's broken. You're telling me that. Why? Who are you?
That's not fun.
Oopsie, that might be my fault.
Ollie! Hey! Hula hula! Oh! Pretty sure it's Hoover now. Stop that bit! Wait! Hoover! Yay!
I fixed the living room.
Sweet, thank you. Yeah? Stop filming me, Hoover! You freak. You got some weird housework fetish. That and lollipops. Lollipops!
Be sure to video the clock to get the time also.
That's the time.
Is that the time?
It's time
Yeah,
o'clock.
somebody could have voted that then.
That's AM, not PM.
This is early, bro.
Oh, did you see that? I hope you got that on film. I actually lifted myself up onto the cooker. Oh. Don't hurt me. You bitch.
Anyway.
You never shut your cupboard door. Ever. Why? Find the mistletoe.
It's not mine.
I got a cut on my
That's
wrist.
not the lighter I had,
Oh,
right?
yeah.
That's impressive, really? Yeah.
The mistletoe. Where's the lid for that chair?
Lid for a chair.
Chair lid.
I don't know. There it is, that's it.
I got it. Stop filming! Freak.
That is on.
It's on your camera, isn't it?
Yeah. Is that actually recording or are you just taking...
Ow.
Good.
I'll sit down and do now.
Turn the lights off.
Yeah. Ow! Who did that?
This is really hard.
I'm sorry, Sophie.
You have sisters, you're supposed to be nice.
No, that just means I'm desensitized. I don't treat women like... Women. I treat them like equals, like they should be. Sophie.
So,